giraffe?
Mhm.
Huh?
Yeah. My dad said hi. By the way. Hi. That's my friend Kaylee. This is her slime that I'm playing with right now, but
And this is her slime.
Yeah, that's my slime. And we're playing with fluffy slime that we made today. Don't worry about that cup, it has Coke in it. Coke. And yeah, so we're just gonna be playing with our slimes today.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. And some of you guys may like slime, so yeah. She just made a bubble.
You try to make a bubble.
Yeah. Yeah. Marshmallows. Hey, do you want to switch slimes?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, here's my slime. Give me.
Oh.
Okay, this is my slime, guys. And that's hers. But I'll do mine first and then she can record hers. So, yeah. So.
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Sorry. Look at that, guys. Puppet.
Is it working? Is it recording it?
Yeah. Hello again. Guys, that's my dad. So don't worry about that. Yeah, so this is my slime. It kind of looks like mac and cheese.
Is it live?
No, it's recording. If it was live, it would be a chat on there. So, yeah, guys. This is mine.
This is mine.
You're not recording it. Sorry about the dirty table. Don't worry about that. She just made a bowl. It was so big. I wish you guys could saw it. Sorry for like doing this a lot because yeah, I'm gonna get some Coke.
Why are you showing them your Coke?
I have no idea what I'm doing, but yeah. So yeah, this is my buttery slime. What we use for our slime is we use food coloring. We use glue, of course. We use shaving cream, and we use which is activated like eye contact solution. And yeah, and then we use these beads things. I can't even see right now. Where am I? Yeah. So this is my slime. On the camera, it kind of
I
looks.
said that about 3 times or 4.
Yeah, I said it like 3 times before. Sorry, guys. I'm saying that a lot. But, you know, it's fine. On the camera, it looks kind of gold, but it's actually like mac and cheese color.
This, guys.
That was so cool. Okay, so now it's Kaylee's time to film her slime. Okay? So see you much. No, it's your time. Turn.
Okay. So, this is my slime, and it's really pink. I know you can't tell, but it's really pink.
Oh my god, stop splashing it.
Can you make a bubble for me?
Me?
Allison.
Sure. Try to. I don't know how to make it. That was lame. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Okay.
Can you make a bubble out of yours?
Sure. In fact, guys, if you want to make a bubble, hit the like button. Yes!
Hit the like button, guys. And so, we'll see you later. But make sure you comment down below. Give us a big
Wait,
thumbs
hold
up.
on. You can't comment down below, sorry. But hashtag bring the comments back. But if you can comment, try to.
Recording?
So, that's my dad right there.
How long?
About 5 minutes.
Maybe I love you. Maybe I love you.
No,
What's
don't.
this?
Oh, big bubble challenge! Hold it.
What was that?
So guys,
Give this a huge like and
we're still
subscribe to
filming.
this video.
We're still filming, guys. Okay, don't leave us.
Don't leave us because we're still filming.
Yep. Oh my god.
But if you ever want to make slime, then just get glue, borax, food coloring, and
Shaving cream.
shaving cream.
Or if you have sensitive skin or something, we can still use slime. But what we use for this is, I already told you, but glue, shaving cream, food coloring, and eye contact solution, which is activator, and
Or
and
you can use
beads. You can use whatever.
detergent because
Yeah.
I've seen videos using that, and if you do, you don't have to get the colors because it's already going to turn blue. So
Yeah.
So
And you
if
guys
you
know.
don't have any borax, make sure we'll give a giveaway.
No, we won't. We won't.
Just kidding.
We won't give a giveaway, guys. Oh my god, she's crazy.
But
This is
I
my
really do want
channel.
you to subscribe to this video, please.
Do you guys want us to go live? Just us and
If you give us 100K,
No.
then
No.
we will do another video.
Less than that probably. I think we might make another one soon. So,
Yeah.
okay.
So comment down below. Give us a big thumbs up.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.